Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to share your Google Slides presentation quickly and easily. So let's get started. So firstly open Google Chrome. Now click on the 9 dots. Here you will see. Again click on the scroll down. Here you will see Google Slides. Click on Slides. When the slides open, you can open your presentation. There are lots of templates. If you want to custom viewer, you can click on blank presentation. Now here you will make changes which you need, like I am choosing this, then click on insert. Now you will see the share button. Click on it. Here you can add email address, or just simply if you want to share with anyone, just click on restricted to anyone with the link, then click on copy link. Now whenever anyone pastes the link on the search bar, it will directly open to the presentation. And that's it. That's how you share Google Slides easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.